Hi, fifth graders. I would like for everyone's picture in Schoology to be a current picture of themselves. This isn't a picture that I'm posting on the internet or online anywhere. It's for myself, your classmates, and Mrs. Twinter to see. The first thing I'd like for you to do is use your Chromebook and take a selfie. That way it's a current picture. After you've taken a selfie, you'll need to go to Schoology. And when you're in your Schoology account, if you go to the right side of your screen, the top right, you should see your name. Click and a drop-down menu comes and you'll click your profile. After you click your profile, go over on the left and you might have an image there that you've put before, or maybe you've not ever done anything with it, and you'll click on Edit Picture. After you click Edit Picture, click Attach File. I'm not going to attach file because it looks different on my laptop than your Chromebook. But once you click Attach File, then you should be able to locate that selfie that you just took, and you will click on that, and that should become your profile picture.